Guys, Zach Ginn with Flip with Rick. I'm here today to close out our wholetailing series and show you exactly how I made $50,000 on that wholetail deal from our wholetailing series. I told you guys I was going to show you all the paperwork, and in this video we're going to do it. So let's get started. Looking good? Perfect. Hey guys, Zach Ginn, Flip with Rick here. Recording this video in the garage. Wanted to change up the scenery around the videos here. So today I'm going to recap the closing I just went to and to show you the exact recap of our wholetailing series for our property. So I'm going to break down all the paperwork we had to show you how much we made on the deal and anything in the future for our deals, and just talking about the channel in itself. So right here you can see this is our HUD for the A to B, which is known as the purchase side. So you can clearly see here, let me fold this up to you. So this is, look here, so we purchased the property, we bought it for $102,000. You can see our company name right here. Company name, I'll throw it in there. Probably be on this side or this side. I'll throw in the public information documents too. I just don't want to expose or give any information about the sellers out, especially I'm not in contact with them anymore to put in a YouTube channel or video, but I'll cross some things out and then post it on the sides here. So we purchased the property for $102,000, which is a pretty good price for that 3.2. You know, the problem was the smoker's house. That did cause some problems. And our number one problem that arose from this, which was a very popular video that we did, was about the Chinese drywall. Now, I've been getting a lot of comments from people saying, oh no, you're screwed, Chinese drywall. And if you look at the video a little more, there was no Chinese drywall in the property. Another inspector came in and we got the A-OK on it. The issue again was we had well water and there was sulfur in the well water, and that caused corrosion throughout the house because the person just didn't take care of the house, the seller. Unfortunately, we went through one buyer, got spooked, and we found another one in about a week or two, and we went through the whole process. They negotiated us down. We had it for $164,900, I believe. So we ended up $162,000 for the property. It was a conventional loan. Pretty easy to do. So in the end, if you can look here, I'll break everything down here. So hold it up here, make everything easy peasy for you to see. I'm also going to pop up pictures. So if you look here, there we go. So if you look here, the income that we got wired to us was $153,000. Now, for you guys that aren't math nerds like me, roughly 153 minus 152 is equal to roughly about $151,500, more or less how the stuff works out. I don't include this in our calculations. We had a garage sale. We made about $500 to $600 just all cash, but I don't include that as the profit in the transaction. I just sold that jacuzzi in the back for like $300 more bucks. So in total, we got like $800 worth of stuff just selling it out for the property. But I guess I'll include that in there just for the sake of the video. So in total, the actual profit, we spent about $1,500 just in repairs for the property. We just painted, I fixed the hardwood, had to get the dude to fix that little bathroom problem. So that calculates at about $49,600 more or less. And then with the stuff we sold, you add that in and we hit the big 5-0, $50,000 profit. It was amazing. Very proud of our team working on this deal. Definitely not our best deal ever, but definitely not the worst one. Hey, I'll take $50,000 all day, especially with an easy peasy property like that. I'm gonna show up the dates for you here. You can see here, this was about a whole 3-month deal. So we bought it, had a deal with it for about 3 months. We basically got it sold in 2 months. The issue was with the conventional, it takes them about a month to get everything going. That's the price you pay to get people to pay more money for your property. So that is just closing everything up, especially when it comes to this wholetailing series. I think I had a fun time with it. If I had to do a wholetailing series for every deal we have, I mean, we're currently doing about 5 wholetails right now. That'd be a lot of videos, and that would be just a lot of me running around properties all day, just showing you things. I definitely would like to do that, but it is very time consuming, and I think making videos with more information on how to become a better and more complete real estate investor would help you versus me just running around houses all day. I like to do about 1 to 2 of these, maybe a month, maybe in a year, I don't know. I talked with Rick about that. So that's it. I mean, we're wrapping up this wholetailing series now. Our main focus for this channel will still be talking about real estate investing as a whole and just helping people become better real estate investors and becoming financially free. Give me a link or a comment on your favorite real estate video that we did, and also comment what you think you want to have in the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more information. Flip the Rick, Zach signing out. Keep it real. Thanks.